Now, actor-turned-politician Kamal Haasan slams India's decision to abstain from voting in United Nations against Sri Lanka on the issue of war crimes in Sri Lankan Tamils. In fact, here we're looking at Kamal Haasan. In his tweet says that this is a huge betrayal by the centre towards Tamil and Tamilians. Big news coming in. Kamal Haasan now slamming India's decision to abstain from voting in UN against Sri Lanka on the issue of war crimes in Sri Lanka against Tamils. Kamal Haasan in his tweet says that this is huge betrayal by the centre towards Tamil and Tamilians. Let's quickly cut across. Akshaya now joining us live for more details. Akshaya, do take us through exactly what Kamal Haasan has said while condemning India's decision to abstain from voting in the UN against Sri Lanka on issues of war against Sri Lankan Tamils.
Nabila, we're seeing that actor-turned-politician Kamal Haasan has tweeted out against the centre, stating that they abstaining from voting against the war crimes that happened in Sri Lanka is a betrayal of Tamil language and of Tamilians as well. And Kamal Haasan is not the first person to have shown his objection. We've seen that MDMK chief and senior MP Vaiko had also condemned the stand of the central government. He had in fact called this the betrayal of the Indian government towards the Sri Lankan Tamils. Similarly, we've seen P. Chidambaram of the Congress also slamming the central government and even going on to question as to if Dr. S. Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister, was forced to not allow his representation to vote during this issue, and in fact saying that the External Affairs Minister should resign if he was under pressure. So, you know, all the political parties in the state of Tamil Nadu have been lashing out in the centre for not really voting in favour of the war crimes that have happened. We've seen that the Sri Lankan Tamil issue is something that is very sensitive and very close to the heart of the people in the state of Tamil Nadu. We've seen that there have been several people who have been in favour of the Sri Lankan Tamils, and even now the support factor towards them is very high, and that is exactly what we're seeing ahead of the state assembly polls here, Nabila.
Absolutely.
But all the political parties are taking this as an opportunity and talking about the kind of way in which the centre has acted.
Absolutely. Here Kamal Haasan now slamming India's decision over abstaining from voting against Sri Lanka over issues of atrocities against Tamils there. Kamal Haasan raises the issue, slams the government in his tweet.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.